like to keep my Cybertruck on the high and medium setting. There is an entry mode, but I never have it on there. I don't like it lowered. I like the way it looks. It has a nice strong stance when it's, nice and high. So I don't use the entry mode. And even in a high setting, I don't have any issues getting in. But my wife and my kids struggle a little bit. It's not the easiest for them. Running boards for the Cybertruck, you might call them Nerf bars or side steps, but these are quality materials. You'll have, of course, the running boards, you'll have all the hardware. Now, they say they have a maximum weight capacity of 550 pounds or 250 kilos. And once they're installed, they felt very sturdy. I was able to get in and out easily. And I did start using them a little bit more just because they're there. And, be careful when you walk out. If you forget they're there, you can scrape your leg on it, but, use it on the way in and on the way out. People will always ask about the range hit. I don't know. I didn't monitor it before or after, so it hasn't been any noticeable difference since I've had these installed and been driving around with them, so I don't think it impacts it that much. They state it doesn't, but, all the hardware is sturdy. You'll see they have a left and a right. Imagine yourself sitting in the driver's seat and your left would be the driver's side. So L stands for driver's side and R stands for passenger side. And if you look underneath the truck, you do have to remove the bolts that's connected to this trim piece. There's 4 of them. And then there's a screw hole at the bottom of the truck. So you'll use both of those, but those don't need anything removed from them. They're already open and available for you to just put your new screws in. Now, they do come with a socket wrench, but if you have your own tools like a ratchet or even an impact gun, it'll be a lot better. But they do provide everything you need. First, I removed all the 10mm screws and then went ahead and installed the brackets. I would just say don't over tighten. Make sure you get it nice and snug. You just lay the running board on top, and then you have these little pieces that will go in between the brackets and the running boards, and you just put the hardware on. Just make sure you use the washer and the lock and the nut. But after, reading the directions and figured out how to do the driver's side, it took me about 15 minutes to do the passenger side. So it doesn't take that long to install, but I will say the look, there is some rounded areas. Of course, the Cybertruck's theme is all sharp angles. The look doesn't quite match it, but I do like the design. I do like how they look overall, and they are functional. My wife loves it. My kids like it. Go ahead and click the link in the description. And don't forget, Cobra told you. All right, y'all.